with it being summertime, I don't have a lot of time to make videos and everything, but I'm including the clips for Shedwars21 today. It's Saturday, so it's Shedwars Saturday, like last year. July 1st, and we got a gallon yesterday, and I'm gonna pick some more today. I am, and I made blackberry jam last night out of it. And I'll include that clip. But blackberries is producing for me, and if it would have rained, these berries would have gotten much larger, size of my thumb, and been a little sweeter. But it's been kind of dry here. And we got 1 gallon of blackberry that we collected over today, and draining it out. We're gonna make some blackberry jam or jelly and some blackberry syrup. See that beautiful? That's what it looks like. So here's a video clip of the blackberries I picked today, 1 gallon plus, and it's 5.434 pounds of good old blackberry celery for the first time. There's 5 right here that I cut down, and there is the root part, and I believe you can plant them again and maybe they'll grow. I left 1 in the ground for seed, and so I'm growing something besides green beans right here. Ain't that cool? And maybe we'll get a weight on them. But this celery, it's not very big like they grow in the store, but I mean, you know, it's pretty nice. It smells like celery. It smells good. There it is. Got some ant on the log. We got celery 2.352. I had to do it quick because the scale was going off, but I grew that pretty celery with that brown leaf. I'm joking. But I planted the celery bottoms. There's Trixie, and here is the green beans and Trixie and spaghetti squash. There's some rattlesnake beans and some spaghetti squash. And this is my first one I harvested today. We'll add that up. But the beans are starting to come on down here. Cute. Alright, we're going to measure this. Look at there. That's spaghetti squash. See what it weighs. If I can keep it still, it weighs 4.451 pounds. And we're going to weigh another squash. And it's not good, but we're going to weigh it anyway. Just for the heck of it, it weighs 1.5 pounds. And look at there. 548. And that's pretty cool. We could have left it and we can use this for seed. And these other little squashes, let's see. We got a lot of squashes. Almost 10 ounces. There they are together. I guess that would make 2 pounds altogether. We have those chocolate sprinkles. Remember those? I planted them. And there they are, little bitty things. Picked some yesterday. And that's a plum right there. But these are little bitty baby tomatoes. And they weigh 9.50. Okay, It's the last of the blackberries, probably getting close to picking. We pick for like 3 weeks, but we get a gallon a day, and a lot of them. I'm trying to gather as much as I can while I can before I go milk Ruby, and it's challenging because she's down there at the gate waiting on me, and she's been waiting for 15 minutes. It's getting ready to be dark, so I gotta hurry it up. Y'all take care. See that goat right there? The one on the barrel? She's the one that is Princess's daughter, Abby, and she's going to be having her baby real soon. She's parked her little fat belly up on that barrel like that. She's tired, I guess. That's what all pregnant girls do. And she's going to waddle on over. I wouldn't doubt she had two big twins. I hope they're girls.